So can I ask you, how do you know Sree Maa?
You know, Ekta, I never knew Sree Maa from before. I was looking for something because I was already on the spiritual path, but there was something missing, and I just knew it from inside. There is something more that I've not been able to find. And I was introduced. I was given the name Cosmic Fusion via another colleague of mine, and I came and checked the website, which I couldn't understand, but there was still this calling that I should do the workshop. So, cutting a long story short, I ended up doing my 5D plus plus awakening transformation workshop in the comforts of my own house while listening to a meditative tape for 7 days. This is in December 2011. And because I saw extreme and profound shifts in my state of being, you know, there was this peace and this calm and this completeness that I had been looking for. And there were no thoughts in my mind for the next 3 weeks, and which is what prompted me to go and meet the founders who could do this sitting afar, whom I had never even met. So that is how, in Jan or Feb 2012, is the first time when I met Sree Maa.
So I know you've known Sree Maa for quite a few years.
Yeah, I think nearly 6.5, 7 years now.